Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the reaction. CH3NGBr, a Grignard reagent, reacts with CH3CH to C is equal to O, Cl, propanol chloride ethanol chloride with an ethyl group i.e. propanol chloride. Grignard reagents react with acid chlorides. The first equivalent of RMGBr adds to give a ketone intermediate, and since excess Grignard is typically present, or the reaction proceeds, a second equivalent adds to give a tertiary alcohol. However, with one equivalent, the product is a ketone. Moving on to the next step. Product identification. CH3NGBr adds to propanol chloride, CH3CH to COCl. The acid chloride first reacts with CH3NGBr to give the ketone CH3CH to C is equal to O, CH3, which is methyl ethyl ketone, but-1, CH3 CH to CH3. Moving on to the next step. Enumerate enols of butane to -1, CH3, CO, CH2, CH3. Enols are formed by tautomerization, moving the carbonyl to an enol, C is equal to CO. There are two sets of alpha carbons. Alpha carbon on the methyl side, CH3 gives enol CH2 is equal to C, or CH to CH3. This double bond is terminal, no geometric isomerism possible, one end has two H substituents. This gives one enol structure, no EZ. Alpha carbon on the ethyl side, CH2 gives enol CH3, C, or is equal to CH, CH3. This double bond has different groups on each carbon. C1 has CH3 and or C2 has CH3 and H. This allows EZ, CIS trans, geometric isomerism, giving to enol structures E and Z. And for the final step, total enols is equal to 1 from methyl side plus 2 E and Z from ethyl side is equal to 3. A. 2 undercounts misses the geometric isomers or one set. C. 4 and D. 5 overcount. No additional stereoisomers exist beyond the EZ pair. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.